Despite what people say, money does make you happy. Money isn't everything, it's the only thing. The game of life has levels. Those at the bottom work the most and earn the least, while those at the top work the least and earn the most. Level 0 will have you doing back-breaking, soul-crushing, spirit-crushing, grueling, dehumanizing work for very, very little money. You have to work smarter, not harder. Actually, you have to work hard and smart. You have to proceed forth as if your very life depended on it, because you know what? It does. You have to push yourself to your absolute limits, and then push even more, and then push some more still. And when you can't possibly push any further, you push some more. Every step you take is one step closer to never having to have a boss again, to never having to laugh at a stupid joke that you didn't find funny, to never have to serve a customer or wake up early or sit in traffic, to being truly free. I don't care if you're young, old, tall, short, skinny, fat, black, or white, doesn't matter. You can do it. Get rid of all your excuses. You can do it. Inch by inch, life's a cinch. Yard by yard, life is hard. You missed the opportunity to buy Bitcoin when it was only pennies. Many people heard about it but didn't invest. I just didn't know what Bitcoin was. I didn't even know how to buy it. I didn't understand it. You were alive, you were able, but you were distracted. You were too busy watching one more episode on Netflix. You were listening to Betty at work gossip about what Fred did at lunch yesterday. Who cares about any of this? All you had to do was get onto the computer, go to Google and type in, what is Bitcoin? How do I buy Bitcoin? Time is money. Actually, no, time is more valuable than money. Be careful how you spend it. Did you know that cryptocurrencies can increase from 10 to almost 100% in a single day? Oh, but cryptocurrencies are risky. Not taking risk is risky. Spending your one and only life miserable, doing things you hate and being a slave, that's risky. Take the risk. If you can do whatever it takes to amass a pile of money, let's say $50,000 or more, let's say $50,000. You put that $50,000 on crypto. That's exactly what I did. I put $50,000 on Dogecoin, and before I even ate breakfast, I made $5,000. But Luca, I can't afford that. No, you can't afford not to. If you got some value out of this video, please do me a favor. Like it, subscribe to the channel, and share this video on your Facebook. I'm Luca Bryce. Thanks for watching.